guys, welcome to another day. I am super excited. As you can see, this beautiful property, this is one of my biggest flip ever. This is a 6,000 square feet house, has a 6 bedroom 5 bathroom. I just sold this property for $1.5 million. I made a $400,000 profit on one single property. Let me break down the number for you. Bought it for $560,000, put $470,000 of renovation into this property and are selling for $1.5 million. Guys, do the math. You can figure out, made almost $400,000 from a single property. So let me show you the full video. What's the condition now and before. If there's anything else I should do on my future flip, let me know, comment below. If you guys want to learn about the real estate, follow me guys, follow me. I'd love to show you guys how to make that kind of money. Until then, see you at the next video. All right, here is the main entrance of the house. It needs some lobs. All the plant has to go and do new landscape. Power wash the house, get all the shutter took off and throw it away, put a new shutter on the house, get some new paint, power wash the roof. Oh man, so much mold in here, but it's very high and house. Look at this master bedroom deck. OMG, like look this, check this out. Check it out right behind me. We got the pool right behind me. Also the huge pond, which I'm planning to put some waterfall. Also like a mini dock. So like if somebody wants to go out in the afternoon with a little kayak or like a boat, they can have it. But check it out how big it is. So I am like, this is awesome. This is awesome. Check this out. Alright, here is the master bathroom. We did not do anything to it, just to demolition. So they're gonna start working there in probably within an hour. We're gonna demo the whole bathroom, redesign it. Oh man, look at this. Look at this. There's jacuzzi and there's a fireplace, which is pretty awesome. I just don't like this bathroom looks. So we're gonna demo everything. The walk-in shower, the toilet in the wrong location. And the look is old ass vanity, so everything has to go. Look at this master bathroom, doing some crazy work in here. It looks like they are short of sawzall, so they have to grab the tools. Francis heated a sawzall, they opened the sawzall. That is crazy work. This is the master bathroom. I got Pablo behind me, getting the vanity out. There is insane work in here. Check this out. Check this out. Look at this bedroom, how big it is. Look at this vaulted ceiling. Oh my god. This is insane. This is so big, right Francisco? It's pretty big, really big. Like all this view around me. Look at all these windows. And I got the right behind me. I don't know if you guys can see through. There's a pool behind me and the pond. And also, it's coming out good. It's gonna come out good. Francisco working on right now in the fireplace. This is extremely good work. Look at it. Doing some crazy work. We just removed this railing a couple days ago and put the steel beam. It's insane. It looks awesome. Look at this. Look at this view. How high and vaulted ceiling. This living room is pretty insane. Hey! Alright, another day in my East Lyme house. I finally got this LVL. Is getting ready. The steel beam. Look at this beam, how big it is. It's like 25 feet long. They're getting it ready. Tomorrow they're gonna rent the machine and gonna lift it up. We're gonna install the steel I-beam tomorrow. Look at all this support. And that's crazy. This is crazy. This is my kitchen as is right now. They have some cabinet, but I took them off. And so the cabinet is out. I got chilies working here. Crazy work going on in here. They're actually doing the LVL right now for my kitchen, so we can have a bigger kitchen. Everything coming out really quick. And everything getting done really fast, and all the stuff coming out really awesome. I am super excited to see this project. This is one of my biggest projects I'm doing. Everything is custom, so which is pretty nice.